Hi! In front of me is Honor 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, find clock and click on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now you can set up an hour, choose repeat and pick days of the week. Then choose OK and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to and click on OK. Now you need to select sound over here, tap on allow and pick one of those melodies as the alarm sound by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also choose music on device, select music from your smartphone, like that song, and go back as well. Now click on the switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on ring duration. Pick one of those options by tapping on the best one and choose snooze duration. Over here you need to swipe left or right on the sliders here to adjust how many minutes your snooze will take. Come on, and how many times it will repeat. Then choose OK and save your alarm by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by clicking on it and tapping on delete over here, then confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!